Hello everyone and welcome to a new property video. We're in Elviria, in Hacienda San Manuel, and we're going to discover a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 bedroom, terrace and swimming pool. Let's discover it. This is the living room, and over by the entrance you will find the kitchen. And now we're going to see the bedrooms. We are in the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. The other room has 2 separate beds and the bathroom is next door. And we end this video in the terrace. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next property tour.